So I make a lot of rockers and chairs that has vertical ribs instead of the horizontal slats that most people's familiar with. And that's what I'm making today. I've already roughed out some quarter-sawn white oak, and I'm getting ready to rip it down now into some thinner pieces. So this one's still just a little thick. I will take this down to about 5/8 of an inch, and then they will be ready to put in the steam box, where I'll steam them and bend them, put a little bend in them for comfort in the chair.